Hello everyone, this is Cool IT Help and this is the new video tutorial about the resizing of this calendar pop-up window. Okay, so I will tell you how you can resize it, because in some cases your application window is small as compared to this pop-up, so it looks weird. So in such case we have to resize it and we have to fit inside the application window. So we can control the size of this pop-up with the help of CSS. So I will show you how we can do it. Okay, so I'm going to close it, and now as you can see here I have already created the project. Okay, and here we have the fxml and one controller file, and we have this file which has a start method. Okay, so what I'm going to do, okay, it's simple. So this is the source package and I'm going to add a new folder here. So I will give a name, it CSS. Okay, so I have created this up folder inside the source package. Okay, now we have to create a CSS file. Okay, so just put the cursor on it and do a right click and go to the new, and we will look for the CSS file. Now right here we have this option, cascading style sheet, but in some case you are not able to see this option, so you have to go to the others and then you have to choose it here. So I will show you how you will get it. So in the filter you have to type cascading, okay, then you will get this option. So just select it and click on this next button. Okay, now here it will ask you to give a name to this cascading style sheet. So I am giving it a name, my CSS. Okay, and as you can see the location, so this CSS file will be created inside this CSS package, CSS folder. Okay, so inside this one. Now click on the finish. Okay, now as you can see here the CSS file is created successfully. Now we have to write the CSS to control the size of that pop-up. Okay, so for saving the time I have already written the CSS for that. It's really simple. Okay, so let me copy it and I will paste it here and I will show you what is this. So here inside the CSS we have written like date picker pop-up dot calendar grid. So we're giving the instruction like the calendar grid height and width will be according to these, like fx preferred width is 220 and fx preference height is 180. So this CSS is controlling the grid height and width. Okay, and now this is the date picker pop-up, the spinner label. So we have set the spinner label font size to 14. So this complete CSS will control the size of that calendar control pop-up. Okay guys, so now just save this file. Okay, now we have created the CSS file, but we have not applied it on the scene. So what we have to do, so open this base package and now you can see this file. So just double click on it and we are on this file, and now come here. You can see at line number 22 we are loading the fxml. Okay, and then we have created the scene object. So right here we have to write a small code. So we will write scene dot get. So we have to use this method, scene dot get style sheets dot add, and then put brackets, and now here we have to give the path of the CSS. So what will be the path? Now put a slash and we are inside the CSS folder, and here we have placed our CSS file. So give the name of the CSS file, mycss.css, and place a semicolon. So now we have applied the style sheet on the scene. So now we are able to control the size of that pop-up. Okay, going to save it. So I have saved the file. Okay, right here. Before running the program, I'm going to take a clean build. Okay, build is successful. Now we can check here in the output tab. The build is successful. That's great. And now come back here on this file. Here we have start method. So I will do a right click and I will choose this option, run file. Okay, now here we got our stage. Okay, so this was the control. This was the JFX date picker control. And now I will click on it. Okay, as you can see, we got the small size of this pop-up here. Okay, previously we were getting the very big size of pop-up. So like here. Okay, now you can see this is small as compared to the previous one, and we found here our CSS is working. So you can adjust as per your need. You can reduce the size more by setting that CSS. So you have to go inside the CSS, or you can do changes accordingly, and you will get the expected output as you need. So guys, I hope this is clear to you. So if you have still any doubts, so please comment below. I will try to reply as soon as possible. So guys, keep watching, and if you found this video useful, so please share to others and help them. That's all guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon for new video updates. Thanks for watching.